Looking for a safe and fun way to take your child on outdoor adventures? The Best Kid Bike Trailer offers comfort, safety, and easy towing perfect for family rides through parks, trails, or around the neighborhood. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Sepnine Kids Bike Trailer. The Sepnine Kids Bike Trailer is a dependable and enjoyable way to take your child along on outdoor bike rides. Built to hold up to 88 pounds, it's suitable for children 12 months and older, making it a great option for growing families. The trailer's robust steel frame and ergonomic design ensure a stable, comfortable ride, while the two high-quality 5-point harness systems offer safety and peace of mind. Your child stays securely fastened in the padded seat as the 16-inch inflatable rubber tires absorb bumps and ensure a smooth ride across sidewalks, trails, and parks. Weather protection is thoughtfully included, with a front plastic tarpaulin to block wind and rain, plus a colored sunshade that keeps harsh sunlight at bay. Mesh panels provide great airflow while keeping bugs out. Visibility is also a priority, with reflectors and safety signs, as well as reflective strips on both sides to ensure you're seen in low-light conditions. A large rear pocket allows you to carry essentials like snacks, toys, or an extra jacket, keeping everything within easy reach during your outings. When your adventure wraps up, the trailer folds down quickly into a compact shape that's easy to store or transport in your car. Assembly is simple, and customer service is available should you run into any issues. Whether you're riding to school or heading out for a day at the park, the Sepnine Kids Bike Trailer balances comfort, safety, and convenience in a reliable package that makes every ride enjoyable. Number 2. Sepnine Foldable Kids Bike Trailer. The Sepnine Foldable Kids Bike Trailer delivers the same reliability and safety as the standard version, with added convenience through a 2-in-1 design. Ideal for children 12 months and older and holding up to 88 pounds, this model effortlessly converts from a bike trailer to a baby push cart, offering dual functionality that active families will appreciate. Like its sibling, it comes with 2 ergonomic seats and dual 5-point harness systems to ensure your little ones ride safely and comfortably. The 16-inch inflatable tires cushion the ride, making it ideal for use on both smooth and uneven terrain. When in stroller mode, the adjustable handlebar and quick-release design provide a parent-friendly experience. Weather and visibility features are all present. A front plastic tarpaulin protects against rain and wind, a colored cover shields against the sun, and breathable mesh keeps bugs out while allowing fresh air in. The added reflectors, safety signs, and reflective strips further enhance visibility and road safety. A large rear pocket allows you to pack up toys, snacks, or extra clothes with ease. When it's time to put it away, the trailer folds down easily into a portable, storable size without requiring tools. The quick switch design between trailer and stroller modes is especially versatile for families with dynamic schedules. Whether you're biking through town or strolling around the park, this model stands out for its thoughtful combination of safety, comfort, and multi-use convenience. The Sepnine Foldable Kids Bike Trailer is a smart, adaptable choice for parents who need more than just a ride-along trailer.
Number 3. Burley Honeybee Kids Bike Trailer. The Burley Honeybee Kids Bike Trailer is a well-rounded, lightweight trailer that doubles as a stroller, offering the best of both worlds for families on the go. Its standout 2-in-1 design includes a one-wheel stroller kit, allowing easy conversion between biking and walking without needing additional tools or parts. This feature makes it an ideal companion for families who want a seamless transition between cycling and errands or park visits. The adjustable one-click 5-point harness system keeps you children secure, while the lightweight frame makes towing feel almost effortless, even for long distances or hilly terrain. The Honeybee's design also incorporates thoughtful safety elements, such as an integrated parking brake for stable loading and unloading. It's compatible with e-bikes, offering added flexibility for modern riders. The use of post-consumer recycled fabrics aligns with Burley's environmental consciousness, and the integrated skid guard adds durability for years of use. The interior is comfortable and well ventilated, with ample space for 2 children and their essentials. Although it lacks some of the suspension features of higher-end models, it remains a top pick for everyday use thanks to its sturdy build, reliable comfort, and user-friendly operation. It folds flat for storage, and the stroller conversion is intuitive, making it a perfect all-in-one solution for parents looking for a practical, reliable kid bike trailer. Number 4. Delta Children Kids Bike Trailer. The Delta Children Kids Bike Trailer is a feature-rich JPMA certified 2-in-1 trailer and stroller built for convenience, safety, and comfort. Designed to seat 2 children, this trailer includes both a universal bike hitch and stroller kit, allowing parents to switch modes with ease. The adjustable handlebar ensures parent comfort in stroller mode, while the high visibility safety flag and reflective trim offer peace of mind when biking on roads or trails. Inside, kids enjoy a comfortable ride with mesh screen ventilation, roll-down rain shields, and large windows that provide visibility and airflow. A spacious cargo area in the rear lets you bring everything from toys to snacks and diapers, ensuring you're ready for anything during your trip. Assembly is straightforward, and the compact fold makes it easy to transport or store when not in use. Puncture-proof foam front wheels and air-filled rear tires provide a smooth ride, while a one-step rear brake adds safety during stops. The rust-resistant steel frame enhances durability, and the overall build quality meets or exceeds standard safety regulations. Ideal for daily errands, park outings, or weekend bike rides, the Delta Children Kids Bike Trailer is a convenient and reliable choice for parents who need versatility and comfort in one compact package.
Number 5. Burley Cubix Kids Bike Trailer. Built for rugged adventure, the Burley Cubix Kids Bike Trailer is the premium choice for families who love outdoor excursions on all kinds of terrain. It features a heavy-duty plastic base that's not only durable, but also includes drain holes for easy cleaning after messy rides. The Cubix sets itself apart with its adjustable suspension system that smooths out bumpy trails, making it ideal for off-road travel. The individually adjustable seats come with 3 recline options and premium cushioning, ensuring each child gets a customized and nap-ready ride. Water-resistant zippers, a full rain cover, and side window ventilation create a cozy, protected environment in any weather. Reflective detailing and high visibility features improve safety, while the premium wheels with rugged treads offer traction and stability wherever you go. It's also compatible with Burley's jogging, strolling, and skiing conversion kits, further enhancing its versatility. The trailer uses post-consumer recycled fabrics, staying eco-conscious while delivering high performance. The Cubix folds down for convenient storage, although it's bulkier than simpler models due to its reinforced base. Still, for parents who prioritize safety, comfort, and performance across a variety of environments, the Burley Cubix is a high-end trailer that delivers everything you could want and more from a top-tier kid bike trailer.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.